Welcome back to Realistic Fishing. Let's go get something in the water and see if we can catch a fish. We're gonna start out with one of my favorite search baits now, a small jerkbait. Let's see if we can get a bite. I also have worms, Texas rigs, crankbaits, a whole arsenal of stuff. But if there aren't any fish, it doesn't really matter. So we're gonna look around with this. If we get some action, maybe I'll change it up if I suspect something will work better. Let's get started. The water is kind of clear with a greenish tint to it today. I can see down about 2 feet, so we got decent visibility. My lure looks good out there. The question is, are there any fish around? It's a nice warm spring day today, but we have rain on the way. I'm hoping to find a bass, skipjack, white bass, yellow bass, crappie, aggressive bluegill. I'm hoping I can catch anything pretty much. I'm not seeing any fish. I'm not seeing any shallow bluegill. I'm not seeing any bass. No bedding fish. Nothing like that. Got my handy dandy thermometer here. There we go. We found a deep little spot out there. Maybe 1.5 feet deep. 59.2. It's a nice sunny day, 75 degrees. I waited till the afternoon, and it doesn't matter. The water is still sub 60. That's why there are no fish here. Let's go somewhere else.
Merry Christmas to you. Ho, 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 ho. And keep it realistic.
It's a lot windier and a lot choppier over here, but we're gonna give it a try at Skeletor Park. Now this is something I don't remember over here, not in this quantity. We got a lot of this. Look at all these big patches of seaweed. Holy hell, it's almost pushing me over. Let's go somewhere else. Let's start out with the jerkbait and see if we can find a fish at the small lake. Third spot I fished today. Hey, I caught one. Check it out. First fish of the day right here. We got a lunker 6-inch bass. You know, this is what I was catching in a previous video. Hopefully we can find something a little larger. Let's keep going. Maybe we can do it again. Find something a little bit larger, right? I think I'm better off fishing something a little bit slower, like a Texas rig with a creature bait or a worm, maybe a craw. I just don't think anything out here wants to chase this down. One tiny bass so far. Let's try something else. I still have this baby brush hog tied on from last time. We're gonna try it out. We're gonna sweeten the pot with a little bit of Pro Cure. And let's see if we can get one on a Texas rig. I'm starting to doubt the baby brush hog. Fish! Found something by that tree. Oh, he came off. Dang, I finally got a bite. I had him on there for a second, but I lost him. And this is too chewed up. We're going with a new lure here. We're switching it up to a craw here. This is a Yum Christie craw. I'm a little bit bummed about that one. It felt like a good fish.
Hi, this is Debbie. I'm in Cat Spring, Texas. You're watching Realistic Fishing. Keep it realistic.
Is that a fish? It is. Fish. Here we go. Here we go. I'm gonna hoist him. Nice. Nice. Got one. I just lost one. I assume it was similar to this one. It felt like a good fish. Yeah, we got a nice 1.5 pound bass here. Nice mouth, sharp little teeth. I can feel them digging into my thumb. Yes, yes, finally another fish. Yeah, this is a good one. Let's take a quick picture. Woo! Got a nice little bass here, about 1.5 pounds. Let's long arm them, make them look bigger. Yeah, good fish. Got him on the Christie craw. Let's let him go. Yes, the $30 Ozark Trail bait caster strikes again. Let's straighten up my lure here, see if we can't get another fish. That was a good one. Yum Christie craw saved the day. I'm still a little bummed I missed one on the baby brush hog, but that fish made up for it. That was a nice bass. I'm happy with that one. This might be the last cast right here, and then we're gonna switch to a worm and work our way back. I did get a couple of bites today. I caught the 1.5 pounder on the Christie craw. I got a 6-incher on the jerkbait, and I had a couple of other bites. But we're gonna switch it up, see if we can't get a couple more bites on something else. We're going with a soft plastic stick worm here. We're also gonna put some crawfish scent, anything that might help me get a bite. Work it into the ridges of the worm. Lots of ridges on this worm here. It can hold a lot of scent. All right, we're gonna fish our way back to the car, hitting all the best spots.
This is Slash Gills from the Juggalo Fishing Posse, and you're watching Realistic Fishing. Keep it realistic.
Uh-oh, I'm seeing raindrops. Is that wind or rain I hear? That sounds like rain. Oh man, now I'm really running out of time. I knew it was coming. I got 2 fish so far. A little dinky 6-inch fish. Oh, wow. I was just, there we go. Feisty. feisty. Yes. I was just saying I caught a little dinky 6-incher and a 1.5 pound. And now this beautiful bass right here, a tiny bit smaller than that last one, but still a gorgeous fish. Woo! Got a little belly on him too. Let's get a picture with this one. Just as it started raining, I got this beautiful bass right here. Maybe a pound, maybe a little bit more. Let's long arm them for effect. Yeah, good looking bass here. Got this one on the stick worm. Let's let him go. Awesome, awesome fish right there. Looks like the rain died down for just a moment. Maybe we can get another one. Oh, I don't think this is gonna blow over this time. It's time to go. And yeah, there we have it. 3 bass today. I got one on a Texas rigged worm, one on a craw, and one on a jerkbait. The fishing is finally picking up again. Thanks for watching Realistic Fishing. Stay dry and keep it realistic.